Welcome to Outgrow's content distribution feature. We'll walk you through every way to embed and share your interactive content from your website to email to social channels. Navigate to your Outgrow dashboard. Select the interactive content piece you want to distribute. Click the Configure tab. Select Embed on Web Page. This gives you 9 different embed types to choose from. Full page makes your content span the entire screen on the web and mobile. Toggle Full Page Override to expand beyond container boundaries. Add Facebook comments to display comments beneath your quiz. In-page embeds content inside a container while keeping your page elements visible. This also disables auto-slide with sections, so consider custom embed as an alternative. Pop-up triggers when a user clicks an element. Customize the appearance, entrance animation, and timing. Set a delay in seconds or trigger on exit intent. Chat displays your content as a chat notification. Customize the subject line and chat icon color. Greet bar adds a sticky bar at the top of your page. When clicked, it opens your content in a new tab or a pop-up. Floating rectangle adds a customizable floating widget. Clicking it opens your content within the rectangle. Side note displays a placeholder on the left or right side of your page. Custom Embed lets you specify exact iframe dimensions for desktop, tablet, and mobile. Instant Articles and AMP provide optimized embed codes for Facebook Instant Articles and AMP pages. Copy your embed code, paste it into your website's HTML editor, or share it with your developer. Move to Launch in an email. Preview your content to see how it renders in an email client. Select your email integration. Choose your email platform and select the lead gen fields you want to capture. Grab the embed code and paste it directly into your email solution. Generate your QR code. Download it directly from Outgrow and share it anywhere as print materials, social posts, or presentations. Click Go Live and share it directly to Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram by copying the shareable link. No setup required. Ready to get started? Sign up for Outgrow's free trial and start distributing your interactive content today. Your audience is waiting. Reach them now.